From the vehicles we drive to the structures we call home, steel is woven into the fabric of our modern lives. But when its journey nears its end, it finds a new beginning, and it all starts here at Nucor Raw Materials Group. At this scrapyard, steel isn't discarded, it's reborn. This is the heart of the circular economy of steel, where it's reused, recycled, and repurposed, time and time again. Every year, over 80 million tons of steel are recycled in North America. Recycling metals rather than sending them to landfills not only helps preserve our natural resources, but also cuts down on greenhouse gas emissions. Recycling metal from a single car reduces the greenhouse gas emissions equivalent to consuming more than 300 gallons of gasoline, and in the US, over 12 million cars are recycled annually. The amount of metal recycled each year saves enough energy to power approximately 18 million households. In the past 30 years, more than 1 billion tons of steel scrap have been recycled into new steel. Every piece of recycled metal contributes to the green economy, whether it's steel, aluminum, or copper. Each transformation fuels the creation of everyday products from construction and infrastructure to automotive and manufacturing. Imagine taking expired oil pipelines and turning them into offshore wind towers, or recycling old rail cars into the latest electric vehicle. Each piece of metal signifies the start of something fresh, and it all starts here at Nucor Raw Materials Group.